Are you capturing your leads from Google Ads and you want to add that to your CRM? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm capturing leads from Google Ads for my business, and then I'm adding all these leads to my Mailchimp CRM. For this, I'm simply going to build connection between Google Ads and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. Now this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared in front of me, where I have to select this Pabbly Connect Access Now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I have to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I've named this workflow as automatically add Google Ads leads to Mailchimp, and then I'm going to select the folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select as all automation and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now trigger here is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, it is automatically added to my Mailchimp CRM, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Ads, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Mailchimp. So here in my trigger application, I am going to search for Google Ads, and in my trigger event, I am going to select new lead form entry and then click on connect. So now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. I am going to follow the help desk given below and build this connection. For that, I am going to open my Google Ads. Now over here, I have created a test campaign and I have created this form. You can see in this preview, I have added all the fields: first name, last name, email, phone, country, city, and the company name. You have to create this in very similar manner, and you can add the fields according to your choice and preference. And when you will be creating a live campaign, you have to follow the same process to add the webhook URL and build the connection. Now when you scroll down under this, you will get an option of this lead delivery option. You have to open this, and in this webhook URL box, you have to insert this webhook URL. I'm going to copy this webhook URL, paste it over here, and then have to enter the key. I'm going to enter the key. I'm going to click on the send test data. As I click on the send test data, you will see the test data will be sent from Google Ads to this workflow. If I receive the test data response, then this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created is working fine. So here the test data is sent successfully. Let me open my workflow and check whether I have received the response there or not. And 3 seconds ago, we have received the response. The company name is company name, city is Mountain View, country is United States, phone number is this, email address is test@example.com. Last name is last name, first name is first name. Here, as soon as I have received the response, we can say the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to add that to Mailchimp. I am going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I am going to search for Mailchimp. In my action event, I am going to select add new member with custom fields and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, I have to enter the token and the data center. To get this data center, I'm going to open my Mailchimp, and on the top in this URL, we have this US6. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to simply paste it over here, and then I have to enter the token. So in the help desk, it is written that I have to open my Mailchimp account, click on the profile picture, click on profile extra and API key. So I'm going to follow the same process, go towards this profile picture, click on this profile, and from here I have to go towards this extras and then click on this API keys. From here I have to scroll down, and then I'm going to click on this create a key, and then I'm going to name this as Google Ads 2. And then I'm going to click on this generate key. A new API token is provided to me, which I'm going to copy and paste it over here. And after this, I'm simply going to click on this save. Mailchimp account will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter these details. Now the first one is that I have to select the audience list. I just have one audience list, so it has been selected. Then we have this email address. Now over here, I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to map it. Now over here, mapping is important so that whenever you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. So to map the data, I have to enter / go towards this Google Ads, and then I'm going to map the email address. Then the status of the subscriber is subscribed. Then I'm going to enter the company name here as this one. Then I'm going to enter the first name. So here the first name which I have received is first name. Then I'm going to enter the last name here. So the last name is this one. Then I'm going to enter the mobile number. So the mobile number is this one. I'm going to enter the phone number over here as this one. Now over here you see I've entered all the required details. I've skipped this tags, designation, interest because I need not require these fields. If you want to enter these fields, you can enter following the help desk given below. These fields I'm going to skip this sign up also. I simply want to create a subscriber in my Mailchimp. I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and here we have received the response. So it says test@example.com looks fake or invalid. Please enter a real email address. Now for now, I'm going to remove this email address and I'm going to enter a valid email address. So I've entered this email address. I'm going to scroll down, click on save and send test request. And here we have received the response. This subscriber has been created. Let me open my Mailchimp and I'm going to go towards the audience. And here it is, we have created this you@pabblytudes.com. The name was first name, last name, email address which we replaced was this one, you@pabblytudes.com. This was the phone number and the company name was company name. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead and then we want to add that to Mailchimp. We took Mailchimp as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow and finally created the subscriber. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Mailchimp using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.